launch the installer file. You'll experience this Windows security window. Click More Info, Run Anyway. In this first pop-up, choose Only for Me. Choose the default folder, install, and you can leave that checked or unchecked, doesn't matter. So finish, and Vessel will launch and present you with the login credential screen.